If you guys are anything like me, you're tired of having to lug around one of those big batteries that can compress air and fill up your tire. Have you ever had a low tire and you had to stop at the gas station and stick quarters in some machine and you have to break $1 and all this nonsense? Well, believe me, it's happened to me before, and it happens to my fiance Brittany all the time. Her car's a little bit older than mine. I'm not really running into those issues right now, and I drive an SUV, so my tires are a little bigger. But in the case that I do run into a time where I need to fill it up, now I have this AirHawk right here. And I thought it would be a cool opportunity to actually check this out and see what we think of it, guys. This is the AirHawk Max. Excited to check this out, and if you're interested in more videos like this, drop it down in the comments below what you'd like to see me review. I'll do anything pretty much in the technology space or any gadgets that are interesting. And if this is your first time here, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. Alright guys, let's get down and unbox this AirHawk Max. I'm excited. Let's go. So we're here in front of the AirHawk Max. It's an automatic cordless tire inflator, and it's an as seen on TV product. It comes with 2 batteries, a carry case, AC adapter, 2 pin attachments, and an extended 20-inch hose with a quick connect valve tip. So that's pretty amazing, guys. I'm pretty excited to take a look at this product because you're going to be able to inflate pretty much anything you need. And the most exciting thing for me is how portable it is. And not only that, but it also has an automatic gauge that will shut off to whatever you set it to. So the tape comes off nice and easy, guys. Open up the side of the box like so. And we're going to slide this out. Ooh, a nice sound there. And we're going to note that this is a very impressive case. Just a little bit of dust right there, but that's pretty normal. And it says AirHawk Max. And now this is very light. It feels like almost under 5 pounds for the complete package. So, let's open this bad Larry up. And let's see, we've got some instruction manuals, which is pretty cool. Lithium-ion batteries, tip storage right in the front. That's amazing. Okay, so right here we have the hose, and it's packaged very well, must say. Not really digging the plastic inside that case, but we'll see what it looks like under the plastic. Right here we have a braided hose, so you'll be able to inflate your tires pretty easily. Seems like a pretty light-duty battery, and we'll see how long it lasts. So, now, here's the second battery. Pretty amazing that they offer 2 batteries, but this one is actually different. It's not a second battery, it's actually a car charger for this thing, so you can plug it directly in your car and use it with your car. That's pretty amazing, guys. I think this is pretty invaluable, and it's going to store right in the box. And the cable's mad long. Pretty high quality cable. The port itself doesn't look that extraordinary. Let's see what the actual device looks like here. And it's not super light. We've got some, we've got a rubberized feel right here. And looks like this is where it's going to connect. It's all plastic. It has a lock and unlock for the trigger. So that's awesome. And let's pop a battery in quick and see what happens. Okay, so it turns on. And right there you can see the readable screen there. And the screen is very readable. I really like the design of it. You can change settings by pressing the power button. It will go all the way up to 150 PSI and then round robin back to 0. Okay, that's the actual sound of the device there. So right here we have a regular AC adapter. And taking the plastic out of the case, let's see how everything fits in. And looks like it fits in rather nice. So let's tuck this to the side for a second, and let's try to input this. So, as you can see, there is a tiny piece of rubber here, and I actually took it out of the gun itself inside the connector. I found it easier to take this out and then screw it into the gun, like so. In order to charge this battery, you're going to have to take the AC adapter and plug it in right here. Build quality is pretty good. I don't love the hose system, but I was able to get it to fit properly. I like the fact that it has a power button and has some settings that you can change. And I think this is a pretty cool product if you can get it on sale like I did. So we're going to charge up this battery, and we're going to test this product out.
The AirHawk is in use right now.
Yeah, so I got a chance to take this outside and use it. and I think it performs pretty well. The hose is the major flaw with this thing. It just doesn't want to stick 100% of the time, and you got to make sure you get it just right. But other than that, it's a pretty great product, guys. If I have any other thoughts or comments about it, I will make an update in the comments section. So make sure to subscribe and like this video, and thank you guys for watching.